Hi guys, so we had a bit of a lazy morning this morning.
And now we are all dressed up.
I'm ready to go out again. I'm wearing my hat because the sun's still out and it's really warm.
I have a coat too. We are all dressed up for a romantic evening.
That'll be list.
But now we're
we
going to
gotta
continue
go.
on the.
He's waiting for us.
Because
So,
he's waiting.
we'll see you then.
No, you go.
She wants me to go first. We came here too.
Thank you so very much.
Don't worry about here.
Thank you.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Experiencing George.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello.
Flip-flop sound.
Can you hold it for me because it's good?
So, made it onto the cruise. Not sure if you're going to hear it 100%, but we are talking. Not sure when. You know.
Yeah, we are sailing around. This tour is organized by Fantasia Tours. We're going to leave below
When you go to the link down here.
And WhatsApp numbers. So if you are here in Sharm El Sheikh, I would suggest that you contact them because they organize really nice tours.
Yeah.
We're gonna have dancing and we're gonna have. I'm looking forward to the belly dancing.
Yeah,
So
they're
can
gonna
I do that?
I was belly dancing earlier in our apartment. But there's going to be magicians, there's all sorts coming on, so it should be fun.
Yes, and the most fantastic thing is that the boat is not exceptionally full. We're all comfortable and it's nice, really nice. All precautions are
Ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna start the first of our show. سيداتي نساتي دلوقتي هنبتدي أولى فقراتنا دامي بدأنا بدون الأكشنات نشر صوتي بودنا وتوجد المشينا ماجيك مان الرجل الساحر مصري.
I'll have a magic guy now. So let's go check that out.
I can do magic. I love this. I got water from my ear.
But thus far, really good. Really enjoying it. I've managed to escape doing magic and stuff. I'm just videoing and getting away with a lot of things.
And now we have live music.
But now we have live music. Unfortunately, we don't know any of the songs.
And I don't know how to dance like they really dance.
They
well,
really
like
go for it, huh?
Yes, they really know how to dance. I did it really nice. But
Shot a mini photo session as well.
but it's really recommendable to do this exchange because it's really fun.
And bear in mind, hang on, we'll give you the price, okay? In euro.
Huh?
In euro. How much is it?
20 euros per
20
person.
euros only per person.
That includes the pick up, the drop off, the food and drink. There's no alcohol is served.
Yeah, no alcohol. Not that you need it, to be fair.
Oh, and a free photo session too. Because there was the photographer and he took me all over the boat and do this and do this and do this. So I got a free photo. I don't know how much it's going to cost me yet, but
I was cringing a little bit, I won't lie. But hey, it was all good.
Yes, yes, yes.
As you can see, it's like really amazing night. Everybody's enjoying themselves. There's several that come out on this cruise. I'm like behind us over here. So we've had a magician, nice music, but we're waiting for the belly dance.
Yes, yes, I'm looking forward to that one. I hope I get to try because I have the utensils, but I don't know.
So we're gonna go enjoy our drinks and then we're gonna go and see what happens next. So as you can see, I'm videoing him, he's videoing me. So you get a free video as well.
You gave us
and you get a free
night,
night, which is really good. So come back. We shall see you in a little while. Yeah, when the belly dancing happens.
Yes.
So we'll see you when the belly dancing. Oh, I'm going to show you the food as well because they provide food for you also. See you guys. Down to there for you.
Couscous, I think.
Latte ahí.
Basta. Potatoes, this is. What is
fish.
this?
Is it those potatoes?
Fish. Fish in one, please.
Fish on this one. Fish on this one.
My head is all over the place.
Yeah, you have to excuse bits of diesel that comes here though. She saw her first dolphin today. Didn't see much of it because it was night time, but she saw it.
It couldn't have ended up any better. We got cake and it was really lovely. The weather was perfect.
Oh, absolutely phenomenal.
Again, if you are here, contact Fantasia
Oh,
Tours.
sorry.
We are
Link will be
going
down
to
here.
leave the link below because it's such a good evening.
Oh,
and
vera
honestly,
bomba.
I think we got more than we paid for, to be honest. Because
I agree.
20 euros per person and all that food, which was
Eh,
buffet.
lallo.
But even though it is buffet, they will serve it to you. Don't everyone is taking like the normal buffet. They will serve it to you.
Hang on, I'll go like that. No, no good, but go here still.
Now,
It's a bit dark, sorry.
Now we are walking for our shuttle that's going to take us back to the hotel. No stress, no nothing. You just find the shuttle waiting for you, and that's it.
Well, we're saying that. We're going to find out momentarily. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
We have an evening, a beautiful evening, stress-free evening, and a budget evening as well.
Yeah. And that was, honestly, it was ridiculously cheap. For what you get, ridiculously cheap.
And it is now, what time is it?
Click my watch. 10 o'clock.
See, so we left at around, we were picked up at our hotel at 5. We're coming back at 10 o'clock, so that's a fantastic evening.
Yeah, it was awesome. I cannot complain about anything,
No.
to be fair.
So,
Also, if you want a free food shoot over there, they can do you a photo shoot as well.
anyhow, I hope you guys are enjoying our
Let's do that little bit because it's not right we do it in the dark for you. Hang on. Here we go. There you go. Let's do it here, dear, shall we?
So I do hope that you are enjoying our Egyptian series. If you do, please take that thumbs up and give us a subscribe.
Which is there.
Yes, that is there. And hope you join us for the rest of this journey.
And by the way, last thing, check out those boats. So if you're going to do this trip, you get to go on one of them. It's awesome. So, take care guys. We shall see you in the next one, which is going to be a bit more adventurous.
Bye guys.
Take care guys.